Mother Nature in control. Please take care of Mother Nature. Please summon the best for Mother Nature. Please summon the real best for Mother Nature. Please summon the realest best for Mother Nature. Please summon the real most thorough blessing of Mother Nature. The real best for Mother Nature has been summoned. The real BEST for Mother Nature, NATURE, has been summoned. The best for nature has been summoned. The most thorough blessing of nature has been summoned. The most thorough blessing of Mother Nature has been summoned. The most thorough blessing of nature has been summoned. The best eternity for Mother Nature, nature, Father Nature, and the natural has been summoned. The real most thorough blessing of Father Nature, Mother Nature, nature, creator of original nature, the original mother of nature, the original Father Nature, the original natural, all of the Mother Nature, natural all blessed, natural all safe, natural all-encompassing natural all safe, the most all-encompassing natural all safe, Mother Nature safe, Father Nature safe. Take care of plants, take care of trees, take care of forests, take care of vegetables, take care of plums, take care of pineapples, take care of celery, take care of onions, take care of tomatoes. Take care of Mother Earth. Thank you. The righteous goodest of all has been summoned. The real righteous goodest of all has been summoned. Righteous good possible only. Righteous good happened only. Eternity, righteous, all good. Righteous good everything, righteous good anything, righteous good all things, righteous good all, righteous good eternity, righteous good real infinity. Stay, righteous good forever. Thank you. Righteous good real life, eternal